Many business processes on websites involve repetitive tasks such as data entry, form submissions, testing, and report generation. Performing these tasks manually can be slow and inefficient. Organizations often spend valuable time on repetitive web-based operations, increasing the risk of human error and reducing overall productivity. To address this challenge, Blackoffer developed a website automation solution using Selenium and Python. The platform automates repetitive browser tasks, streamlining workflows and improving operational efficiency. Using Selenium WebDriver and Python scripts, the system automatically interacts with web applications, performs predefined actions, extracts required data, and completes workflows with minimal human intervention. Key features include automated web task execution, Selenium-based browser automation, Python workflow automation, data extraction and processing, reduced manual intervention, scalable automation framework. The solution saves time, improves accuracy, reduces operational costs, and enables teams to focus on higher-value business activities instead of repetitive manual tasks.